Hey guys, I am making this video to show off all this lovely color that I received yesterday on my hike. Woo! Oh yeah. I went out for a hike. I guess I wasn't really planning on a hike. And then the place that was suggested to me, which was amazing, it's Art Loeb Trail. I'm gonna show you more about that at the end of this video. But it was like a wide open space and I didn't have any sunblock and didn't really think about it until about 3 o'clock when I was like, ooh, it's getting pretty hot out here. So, of course I wasn't gonna cut my hike short. It was an amazing place. But now I'm just going to use what I have around to make a sunburn spray to heal myself, heal my skin. You know, cool it down, ease it up. So yes, we're gonna do that. Okay, so these are the products that I will be using to make my sunburn spray. I love sprays for sunburns because you know your sunburns get pretty painful and you don't really want to be like rubbing stuff on your skin. So this spray is really helpful for cooling the skin down and helping it heal. So I got this 4-ounce cobalt blue bottle with a little spray nozzle. I have this Rosewater. Rosewater is amazing for skin healing and it smells good too. Witch Hazel is great for the skin. It definitely helps with cooling it down. Any kind of inflammation really. And then we have the essential oils that I will be using. Why is it not focusing? There we go. All right, so we have lavender, which is the most amazing essential oil for burns, any kind of burns. There have been like people who have gotten extreme serious burns and they put lavender on their skin and they didn't have any scarring when they should have had a lot of scarring. Chamomile is great for taking away pain and calming down the red inflamed area. And frankincense, I just love frankincense. It's like liquid gold. I use it for any kind of skin problem. It's actually great for the eyes too. If you have like itchy, irritated eyes or any kind of eye problem, you just put some on your hands and then cup your hands over your eyes and kind of blink. It's definitely amazing for skincare, all kinds of stuff. Anyway, that's why I'm using it in my sunburn spray. So I did about half and half with the witch hazel and rosewater. And this is really just because this is what I have on hand. Another excellent option is lavender hydrosol. That would be an amazing spray. And then of course mix it with the rosewater and witch hazel. That would be ideal, but I do not have any lavender hydrosol right now. But anyway, this stuff will be amazing and it will work. Do I say amazing too much? I think I do. Anyway, it's amazing. So I'm gonna mix all those together. I'll probably put maybe like 3 to 4 drops of each essential oil and shake it up each time before you spray. And I forgot to mention the aloe. I use aloe as well intermittently with this spray. Aloe, as most of you probably know, is amazing for sunburns. Soothing, cooling, and healing. All right, I'm back and I have my little spray bottle ready. So you always want to shake it because the essential oils will float to the top. I ended up actually putting about like 10 drops of lavender, 5 drops of chamomile, and just a few large drops of frankincense. I love essential oils. I mean, I don't think you can have too much. You probably can, but I think this is safe amount and it will do your skin well. So let's try it out on my red inflamed skin. Oh yeah. This feels good. I probably have a sunburn here too. I don't know if you can see. I haven't looked because I can't see the top of my head. I'm gonna put some there. You can see my face looks a little pale, but I got a nice little white ring light and put a little foundation on, you know, just for the video. I love it. I will continue using it probably about 4 or more times a day, and also putting aloe vera on my skin as well in between. I would also like to mention that as I was videographing, whatever that word is, while I was taking this video of making this product, a ladybug flew and landed on my arm out of nowhere and has since disappeared. You know what ladybugs mean. Good luck. All right, good luck to all you, and stick around. I'm gonna show you some highlights from my amazing hike to the Art Loeb Trail in Black Balsam Knob in the Pisgah National Forest. All right.